Good morning, bringing you latest news headlines today, 19th June 2025. I answer to the name Regina Bliss. In today's episode of The Chronicle, I'm ready to contest NPP press slots, Adutwum declares. Daily Graphic, Ni Adama Latse II wins appeal. Court orders House of Chiefs to restore him to register, but Government office says Kim Cheko Churu II remains chief. Daily Guide, Adutwum joins NPP flagbearer race. The Ghanaian Times, are dying creeks. Glade lagoon now refuse dam site. Fisher folks lose livelihoods. The New Republic, East Levon Sakawa Chairmen sing like Canary birds. Expose politicians in $100 million romance scam. And that's all for today on the latest news headlines, live on GhanaTalksRadio. Do have a good morning.